Hey everybody, it's Jillian here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this peacock eyeshadow look, which was inspired by my sister because she buys absolutely everything with peacocks on it. I'm going to be starting off with the brows. I'm using the L'Oreal brow pencils, both the thick boy and the skinny boy. So first I'm going to take the thick boy and just fill in my eyebrows. And I'm also going to show you exactly how I usually fill in my eyebrows, which is to overdraw them a lot and use way too much product, and then wipe it away and brush it away with a little spoolie, and then fill it in a little bit more again, and then wipe it away again until we get the desired look. And now I am moving on to the skinny boy to fill it in a little bit more precisely, just so I can brush it away again. And now I'm going to look at myself and think, why am I like this? And now I'm going to take some brow gel to set my brows, and don't worry about all that extra product because I will wipe it away off camera. And now I'm going to take some concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I am going to carve those bitches out. And now I'm going to take some of that concealer on my eyelids to prepare for the eyeshadow. And now I'm taking some of the Pretty Vulgar loose powder to set that concealer. And moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Electric palette with that light blue color and blend that out into my crease. And now I'll be taking that darker blue color and I will be placing it on my outer corner and blending it into the crease. Now I'll be taking that green color and placing it on the inner half of my eyelid and building up the color with my finger. And now I'm going to take more of that lighter blue color and placing it on the center of my lid, and some more of the darker blue color on my outer corner, and more of the green on the inner corner, and just blending them all together and building up the three colors together. And now I am basically going to ruin what I just did and blend more of that lighter blue color into my crease, and I will go back in with those three colors on the lid afterwards. And now we're just going back to build up the darker blue color in the outer corner, and then we'll move on to the lighter blue in the center and the green on the inner corner. And now I'm just taking some time to really blend all those colors together and get them as vibrant as possible. And now I'll be taking that yellowish green color and placing it right on the inner corner of my eyelids and blending that in with the green. And now we're moving on to foundation. I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in 101 and 102 and mixing them together. And we're really going to speed through this part because it's boring. And now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape again and blending the concealer underneath my eyes. I found my hope in this blue eyes. And I'll be using that same loose powder from Pretty Vulgar to set underneath my eyes and set a little bit on the rest of my face. And then I'm taking the Rimmel Stay Matte powder on the rest of my face. Can you tell I am a very oily person? And we're just making the eyeshadows a little more vibrant again. Now I'm going to take that dark purple color and blend it out underneath my lash line. And I'm also using that lighter purple to also blend underneath my lash line. And now I'm taking this dark purple eyeliner on my lower waterline. And now I'm taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner and I'm making a winged eyeliner on my lids, but I ended up bending over a little too far, so most of this ended up being off camera. And now I'm going to take the Tarte glitter liner in white gold, and I'm first taking the shimmery side of the eyeliner, and later on I will be going over it with the glitter side. And I'm going to be using it to create some feather-like lines underneath that wing. I tried making sort of peacock-shaped feathers, but I think it might be better to just use a feathering line pattern. And now I'm going to be taking the glitter part of this eyeliner and going over top of those lines. And now I'm going to take this Tarte Bronzer to bronze up my face. And now I'm taking this Tarte blush palette and using this mauve shade. Now I'm going to use a little of this Wet n Wild contouring powder to contour my cheekbones. And then I'll be taking the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray on my face and the Tarte Maneater Mascara on my lashes. And now I'm going to be taking these Kiss lashes in Ritzy with the Duo Lash Glue. And now I'm going to be taking these rhinestones that are blue with shift sort of purple pinkish and placing 3 of them on the edges of those eyeliner lines. And now I'm going to be taking some nude lipstick to finish off this look. And here's the finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. Bye!